Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel for baking. Now in the last video I showed you how to make the oat and cranberry bars. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make the double chocolate chip muffins. In this bowl right here there is 180 grams of sugar. This is a caster one. And 65 grams of cocoa powder, 300 grams of plain flour, a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and a pinch of salt. First of all, you sift it together. Once the lumps of cocoa powder appear, scrape it with the sieve till there are no lumps of cocoa in there. So, after that's been sifted, combine it together. So into this separate bowl, have the wet ingredients. This is 250 grams of buttermilk, 2 eggs, (120 ml) of vegetable oil, and also a splash of milk, vanilla, and a teaspoon of instant coffee granules. and mix them together. Next thing is to pour the wet and dry ingredients together. And then add 200 grams of dark chocolate chunks or chips, and mix it together until it forms like a chocolate chip muffin. Next of all is to scoop the muffin mixture into the prepared muffin cases. These are the muffins that have been prepared into a cupcake mini cases. Now to put these in the oven for 20 minutes in a temperature of 180 degrees C. Pause the video now. So I'm going to be looking at what it looks like after it's been baked. These are the type of muffins that I showed you today as a recipe tutorial. So if you like this recipe tutorial for these muffins, don't forget to hit that like button below and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to comment down what recipes you want me to make next. for my next recipe tutorial. Bye.